Starting strong. Tired of drab furniture? Say hello to Folk Art Home Decor Ultra Matte Chalk Finish Acrylic Craft Paint Set. With 9 luscious hues, transform worn wooden wonders into rustic masterpieces. No sanding needed, just brush away dullness for a chic farmhouse vibe. Your home gets a bespoke, artistic edge with ease. Next, unleash creativity with the Furniture Stencil Kit. Infuse personality into your decor with intricate designs. Perfect for wood, fabric, or walls. These reusable templates let you craft personalized, heartwarming messages. Bring warmth and charm with each brushstroke, turning plain surfaces into beautiful, expressive canvases. Then get hands-on with the Bay-Gerla Upholstery Repair Kit. Stitch life back into worn seats with this all-in-one bundle, featuring 50 essential pieces. Tackle any textile challenge. Restore and renew your car seats, sofas, or backpacks, and marvel as faded fabrics revive beautifully. A sewing savior for stylish interiors. Another one for the artisans out there? Kooky you! Decorative Furniture Molding Kit will elevate your space with elegant baseboard trims, self-adhesive and hassle-free. Install in moments to smoothen transitions and conceal imperfections. Turn any room's corners into sleek, flawless borders with minimal effort. Finally, adding that perfect touch, we have the Minwax Paste Finishing Wax. This divine polish turns lifeless wood into dazzling hand-rubbed beauty, from antique cabinets to modern frames. Elevate with a gleaming finish, protects and embellishes, transforming your wooden treasures into lustrous, timeless showcases. All links are in the description. Tap like to save this list.